Catalonia Royale Superior Room on the adult side in La Romana, Bayahibe. Nice big bathroom, 2 power showers, separate toilet. Nice little handy mirror there on the side, all your toiletries, toothbrushes, all the rest of it. Little mini fridge that's topped up daily, coffee maker, safe, your robes, big wardrobe. There is also a kettle for all you British tea lovers. Bed was really big, very comfy. Possibly king size, maybe super king. Got your aircon and your fan as well. And then the doors, you've got your normal sliding door, but then you've got the one with the mosquito net as well, which is handy, so if you just want a bit of fresh air in, leave the door open but just slide the mozzie net over. Decent balcony, didn't really use it much to be honest, but a nice little place to hang all your wet clothes from the beach and stuff. So yeah, decent room. Don't bang your head going back in your room. This is very early morning on our way to breakfast from our room, and we were just fascinated by the sound of the birds. One of them crow looking things. Oh yeah. So even though it sounds really loud, you're not getting woken up. I think the soundproofing in the rooms is pretty good. But it's just lovely to hear the birds, and as you can see, we're trying to look for what's making the noise, and they're just tricky to find. Then you get like distracted by something else moving. Wow, did find one of the birds that's quite noisy, is the Greater Antillean grackle, I believe. Not that I'm looking at now. It's like a bigger sort of, like a blackbird really, maybe a little bit bigger. But as you can tell, I'm no twitcher by any means. The reason for booking this hotel was simply because I've always fancied the Dominican Republic, but they get absolutely inundated with sargassum seaweed. Also, I don't like a big resort either. This is a nice resort, absolutely no sargassum whatsoever. So, if that's what you're looking for, I'd recommend it. And if you like birds, and you've got some binoculars, they're not too heavy to go in your case, bring them with you. We were here 10 days and we saw sea eagles, frigates, hummingbirds. There's loads of stuff you can see just from the resort.